So I just want to show you today how to put a comms kit onto a VOZZ helmet. Ends up locating in this position here, just next to your release mechanism. Because the shell on the VOZZ helmet rolls over right underneath the chin here, to fully protect your chin, the helmet clips, or the mechanisms which come with your Scala rider, center rider attachments, all have plates that are designed to clip onto the bottom edge of this, the bucket sort of shape of this shell. So when you've got this rolled over edge that comes right in underneath your chin here, you don't have an edge with which to secure the standard clips. So VOZZ have produced a clip like this, which just brings an attachment point in, under and around that rollover edge, providing you with two different options to mount your comms kit. Should fit a whole variety of comms kit. These are the ones we've tested. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your VOZZ helmet, open it up, remove these cheek pads, probably move them from both sides, because ultimately you're probably going to want to have them removed so you can fit your headphone speaker components and your microphone bits and pieces, which will all fit neatly along this bottom edge. You can peel that back just a fraction and sort of prise it back and feed your cabling in and around underneath there, or tape it on top if you don't want to feed it in there. And then same with this cheek pad, you'll pull that off. It's just got studs there. You'll feed your cabling in behind here and get your speaker mounted in about this position. Just check exactly what position you want your speakers to be in. So we're going to try and get this clip into this edge here, and all we're going to do is get that leading edge in and under there and into the gap between the shell and this lining of the shell. So you can give it a bit of force here and wiggle it in, and you've got it in there. So it fits very, very snugly, and the cheek pad will go back on top in that position, but we won't put that in yet. Now the other thing you're going to do is want to probably slide it forward to a position where your overall comms kit is clear of your latch here. And I'd check that positioning with the actual comms kit in place. Now for me that was certainly easy enough to get my thumb into that. You don't want too far forward, because well, you run out of space, and that's probably a nice neat sort of position for it anyway, tucked on the side there. Now these holes are what you use to mount your main comms kit. So this is the center system. It's in two parts that you take it away so you don't have to leave it with your helmet. And here you can see, here's the plate, and under here are the screws which I've put through here to mount this part of the system. So you'll be doing the same with your comms kit system before you go and put this clip in place. Once it's in place, you'll be removing the back of the adhesive here and sticking it down. But as you can see, it's very rigid and very much in place as it is. We'll just slide it down that way a little bit. So that's roughly where you're going to sit it. Your comms kit plate mounts to it like that, and your comms system goes on like that. And you're not with the system looking like that.